Guys, happy Valentine to all of us. Well, are you guys still celebrating Valentine? Well, me, I don't know what is Valentine anyway. I can remember when we were in secondary school, they say Valentine's Day, Valentine's that. But happy Valentine. And I just want to thank those who sent me beautiful wishes for this Valentine. I appreciate all of you. I love you all, and I say happy Valentine's Day to you all. Okay, I hope you celebrate this day wisely. Okay, celebrate the Valentine wisely and watch your back. Okay, so some are made and some are ruined during this Valentine's period. All right, I just want to say, what do I even say? I love you all. Yes, I love you all. If you are just tuning in for the first time, this is your first time of viewing my channel, seeing my videos, you're welcome. You are welcome. And I just want to tell you that on this channel we discuss simple solution to life. We look out for things that will give us simple solutions, something that will not stress us to life. So we dish out information here, and then we share, we rub our minds together, and we come up with things that will help us both spiritually and physically. Okay, so my name is Medilock, and I am blogging from the northern part of Nigeria. Okay, all right guys, today I just want to talk to us quickly because of frequent questions that people are asking me, so I just have to, I've been giving this advice on individual basis, you understand, to like different people, but I felt there's a need to give this suggestion to a wider society. That is why I've decided to shoot a video today concerning this. All right, if things are not working out well for you, or how to break even when you find yourself in a new location, or when things are not doing well, as in you're not being favored, things tends to be working against you in that particular area where you find yourself. All right, what are you supposed to do? There is what we call covenant. There's what we call territorial authority. Yes, in the spirit there is what we call territorial authority. This territorial authority, as some of this thing, it is spiritual. They work for us or against us. Yes, that is why at times you find yourself in a foreign land for 20 years, no paper, no document, no permit, no green card. Why? Because something, territorial authority, is working against you. I'm not talking about physical authority, I'm talking about territorial authority. Okay, so in the spirit. And how do you overcome this? Not only for those that are living in a foreign land, not only those that are living in a foreign land, but even those that are living in their own motherland. Yes, territorial authority can work against you anywhere you are. You understand? So now I want to talk again about how to use sand. 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 How to use sand to break territorial authority so that you can have breakthrough. Yes, if you have not tried this before, you have been binding and casting, you have been doing all the prayers and doing all the fasting, give this a trial and God will give you testimony. Yes, All you need to do is get some sand, okay, from that particular community or the area where you live, or let me say the territory, where you live, the place you live. Just get the sand, and take this sand in a bowl. Carry the sand in a bowl. Let me set this down a little bit. You see, put the sand in a container, small container, very small sand, like a teaspoon, like a tablespoon. You understand? Or it can be more than that. It depends on how aggressive you are in the spirit. So you just put this sand in a bowl, then you pray over it, decree over it. Let me tell you guys one thing: we are not living under the law. Yes, we are living under grace, and we live by decree. Whatever ye decree on earth shall be established in heaven, and whatever you bind on earth here shall be bound in heaven. So when you decree anything, decree concerning yourself, concerning your situation, concerning circumstances around you, you will see that there will be a difference. When you are decreeing, take your believer's position. You understand? Don't shake. Don't let your heart disbelieve. I've told us before that even if you get to the gate of heaven and they stretch out your gift to you, and the angel look at you like this and saw unbelief, yeah, would they give me this thing? Hey, this thing will be past me. Hey, yeah, I'm asking for duplex. Ah, God, even if you give me 2-bedroom flat now, I go manage them. But God, give me duplex, give me duplex. But even if it's 3-bedroom flat now, I will manage it. Don't have faith. And so, when you don't have faith, you won't get anything. The angel will look at you like this. Their eyes like computer, they'll scan you. No faith, no faith, no faith, no faith. And they'll retrieve the gift back. They'll close the door. And then you come and say, I've been praying, I've been praying. It's like, God is not answering. God has failed me. God is not answering. Who told you that God is not answering? God is still in the business of answering prayers. Okay? So, put this sand inside a bucket of water. Yes. Pray over it. You understand? Read Psalm 51, verse 1 to 12. I'm not going to tell you long grammar. Psalm 51, verse 1 to 12. Very soon I'll make a video explaining to us why Psalm 51 is very important. All Psalms are important. But now you're trying to take your place. You're trying to possess your possession. You're trying to retrieve your glory that the territorial spirit of that particular place has swollen, or is trying to swell up, to swallow up. Yes. So that sand must vomit anything that belongs to you. All your prosperity, all your favor, everything, every good thing that God has released into your life. And as you are using that sand water to take your bait, that is how every bad thing that the enemy has splashed on you, that is hindering, that is causing limitation, disadvantage, disfavor, hatred, rejection, on you, disappointment on you, it be asking as you are baiting, let that thing wash away. I'm going to take this, but I'm not going to use soap and sponge. It's just the water and the sand that is inside, and the sand must be the sand of that particular area. Okay, so that anything, any spirit, any territorial spirit that is limiting people in that place will not see you. They will lose your address. They will not see you. I know what I'm saying. It's working. Even if there is riot, there is problem, they are killing people, they won't kill you. You will live there till your old age and retire at your own time and go back to wherever you came from with all your goodly things. Yes. Because Psalm 91 says, 1,000 shall fall at my side and 10,000 at my right hand, but it shall not come near me. Only with my eyes shall I behold and see the reward of the wicked. That is the word of God, and it is for you. It is for me. Yes. There is accident on the road, or they are killing people in that particular area. That place is prone to all this danger and everything. You will live there peacefully. Nothing will happen to you. Not even the hair of your head will be blocked off. No. Yes. These are deeper level of spirituality. Something, it looks very simple, but is spiritually vibrant. Is spiritually strong. Yes. You are going to marry husband in the community. You marry a man and they say, wives in that place, so thing is this and that. You want to have peace in that place. You want to live peacefully in your husband's home. Get the sand of your husband's hometown. Use it to bait. And then you have subdued the territorial spirit of that place. You have dominion over anything that controls people's life in that place. Yes. So let us do sand bath today. Yes. I think I should title this video as spiritual benefit of sand bath. Or how to take your authority, how to take back your glory, how to retrieve your glory using sand bath. And you will see the manifestation of the power of God in your life. All right, guys, this is my own Valentine gown. At least shooting this video, at least I've done my Valentine. So actually this dress is not my Valentine dress. This let me say, supposed to be my birthday dress. Yes, but because I lost my uncle, I traveled home and I did not get to wear it on my birthday. So now I'm wearing it on Valentine Day, showing you guys. How do I look? Please, somebody tell me to go and use this hair now. Tell me to go and change this hair. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, I beg you. What will it take from you? When you give me a thumbs up now, it will not reduce anything from you. So please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you, and I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.